How to reset Roblox password. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can reset Roblox password. For that, you want to launch open any web browser, then head over to roblox.com. Now to reset the password, you first of all want to click on the login option. Here, you will find the option of forgot password or username. Select that. Now, here you will have to enter your phone number or you can enter the email ID. Make sure to enter the same email address you used to create a Roblox account. Now, you have to enter your email address, click on the next button, then Roblox will send a verification code on your email. Go ahead and check that. Now you simply want to copy the 6-digit verification code. After that, head back over to Roblox website, simply paste the verification code. After that, Roblox will ask you for a new password. Simply enter the new password. Once you enter your new Roblox password, click on the Update Password option. After that, Roblox will give you some terms and conditions. Click on the Continue button, then check the Terms and Condition box at the bottom, and at last hit Continue. And that's it. The Roblox password has been successfully reset. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.